everybody's here on a nice boat, right? And
Yeah.
we all dress really nice.
Very nice boat.
So it's like we're all equal here, so to speak, right?
Yeah.
But in reality, everybody's here really, in large part, to network. It's true.
I came here to stream.
And I came here to jump up and down and do stupid shit. But most people are here for networking.
That's true.
My point is, you don't know where you are in the ocean, right? Like, this is the ocean, and you don't know if you're a fucking caviar, fish egg, or if you're like a great white shark.
Yeah.
No one knows who's a shark and who's a minnow.
Okay.
So it's just everyone having these conversations, trying to figure out
Who's who?
Can I get richer off you, or can you get richer off me?
It's kind of like fucked up.